milestone for us, and we've been looking and planning so long. The first lifting of this dish is very exciting.
Every single step is critical, and this one specifically so because we put the main reflector, which weighs about 24 tons, onto the pedestal.
I would say my biggest responsibility is to make sure that everyone is safe. That's priority number one. And everyone has complied, so it made the lift possible.
Safety first. The condition on site might change at any time.
The reason why we choose today for the lift is we had perfect weather, no wind. It's a bit chilly in the air, but it's clear skies with no wind. That's very important for us.
I'm very excited and happy. SKA is a major international scientific project with participation from many countries. It represents the dream of many scientists and industry experts to explore the universe. Working in the international team has been very enjoyable. Each team member brings unique skills and viewpoints through international cooperation to solve challenges together.
In addition to all the science that we do, the daily impact on the people around the telescopes is very important. So it's exciting to me to see people getting opportunities, doing their thing, growing, generally improving their lives.
Ik was vandaag een sporter geweest. Ik heb instructies gekregen zodat ik het team kan leiden. Wat ik kan doen is bewegen met die touw. Ons is baie excited om te werken met internationale mensen en het is great experience wat ons nodig heeft. It was excited because all the people all over the world is looking at us.
It went very smoothly today. I'm very happy. Good performance by the team.